This resource is designed to help students to develop their reading comprehension abilities through a series of activities and discussions. By delving into the story, students will practice various reading strategies such as inferencing, making predictions, identifying main ideas, analyzing characters, and drawing conclusions. The Dinner Party by Mona Gardner is an engaging and suspenseful fictional story set in colonial India. This reading comprehension resource offers an exciting opportunity for students to enhance their reading skills while exploring themes of gender, stereotypes, courage, and control. Session 1 deals with the setting, which helps students to find words in the story that have the same meaning as the given words. Students are encouraged to identify the elements of the setting, such as place, time, and atmosphere. Then use the elements of the setting that they have identified to describe the setting. Students may use the given sentence frame as a guide. In addition, students attempt these differentiated tasks related to the story setting. Finally, students are tested for their understanding of the story's setting. Session 2 focuses on the character description, which helps the students to identify the characters, their roles, and the traits based on what they do, say, think, and what others speak about them. Students are encouraged to make a character sketch of the main character in the story by including information like character's role, appearance, and traits. Then use the character sketch that they have made to describe the main character. Students may use the given sentence frame as a guide. In addition, students attempt these differentiated tasks related to characterization. Finally, students are tested for their understanding of the different character types in the story. Session 3 highlights the plot, which helps students to identify the elements of the plot. Students are encouraged to identify the plot description elements. Then use the plot description element that they have identified to develop the plot. Students may use the given sentence frame as a guide. In addition, students attempt these differentiated tasks related to the plot of the story. Finally, students are tested for their understanding of the different plot types in the story. Session 4 takes care of story analysis, which helps students to identify the elements of the story. Students are encouraged to identify the story analysis elements. Then use the story analysis elements that they have identified to make a critical appreciation of the story. Student may use the given sentence frame as a guide. In addition, students attempt these differentiated tasks to plan plots based on different types of plots. Finally, students are tested for their understanding of the story analysis elements. Session 5 concentrates on the summary, which helps to identify the elements of the summary. Then use the summary elements that they have identified to write the summary of the story. Student may use the given sentence frame as a guide. Students also identify the reference to context elements of the story. Then use the reference to context elements that they have identified to explain the given line with reference to context. Students may use the given sentence frame as a guide. In addition, students attempt these differentiated tasks related to the reference to context in the story. Moreover, students are tested for their simple inferential skills. Finally, students try the complex inferential questions to reinforce their comprehension skills. Before I conclude, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, John D'Souza, to stay updated on the latest educational videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation of this resource, log into Teachers Pay Teachers and search for John D'Souza.